sometimes there is Swayamvar. The girl can choose her suitable partner by some exam. Like Draupadi Devi, she had Swayamvar. That there will be a water place, and on top there will be a fish hanging, and by the below of the fish a wheel will be running like this. And seeing the shadow in the water of the fish, one has to pierce that fish. In spite of the wheel going, in spite of, that's just by seeing the shadow, he has to pierce. So, no one was able to do that but Arjun.